morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. First, let's make Paneer Poriyal. Heat oil, add in mustard, cumin and homemade paneer cubes. Toss it really well in the oil. Let it get a little bit of color. After that, add in some turmeric powder and salt. Mix it really well. Add in chilli powder. Mix well and switch off the flame. Add a drop of lemon juice and toss well. Your simple Paneer Poriyal is done. Now let's make the main dish. Heat oil, add in Chana dal, Urad dal, mustard seeds, Asafoetida, grated beetroot, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in turmeric powder, salt and mix well. Now take it off the heat. Add in cooked rice and lemon juice. Toss well. That's it. Your beetroot lemon rice is done. For snacks box, it is boiled sweet corn. So now let's pack the lunchbox. I added beetroot lemon rice, paneer poriyal and sweet corn. This is what I packed in my kids' lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.